We will discuss creating a new sprite, saving a project, and opening a existing project. First, we have to create a project. In the desktop, you have to find this icon of Scratch. The version used in school book is Scratch 2.0 offline editor. This is available on internet to download. Double click on this icon. The Scratch 2.0 offline editor will open on your desktop. Now this is the sprite, the background is the stage, this is the sprite list, these are the blocks, these are the block palettes under each block, this is the script area. Now you can start your work. Whatever work you do here, you can do here. If you want to change the sprite, you can change it. Now if you want to put animation to the sprite, select a particular sprite. If you want animation in this aeroplane, then you have to select the aeroplane by selecting this aeroplane sprite from the below sprite list. Select it. Now see, this blue color highlight means this aeroplane sprite has been selected. Now whatever script I will apply on the script area or program I will write, that will be applied on this selected sprite. So if I select this move 10 steps forward and click on it, then you will see the plane is moving, not the cat, because I have selected the airplane and then I am writing the program. That means whatever command I am giving, instruction I am giving, that is applicable to this selected sprite only, because it is, you can see from here, a blue color highlight, rectangular highlight is there over the airplane. That means this airplane is active sprite now, not the cat. So whatever action I will take, command I will give in here, that will be applied to the active sprite, that is the aeroplane, not the cat. So if I want it to move 50 steps, I'll write 50 and click on this command to run this command. You see, each time I click, the plane is moving. So already by default, when I open a Scratch, a file is automatically created for us. Now if you again want to create another file, then you have to go to this file option, file menu in the menu bar of Scratch. Then you have to click on new. But before that, the existing file should be saved. Whatever work we have done here, that must be saved. To save a sprite, this is a project you have made. So to save this project, you have to go to file, then click on save. If you save it, it will be saved. Suppose I give project 1 and save it. See here, the project 1 file name I have given, it will be saved as project 1. Now if you want to create a new file, you have to go to file and create on new. You will see the previous work has been vanished because this is a new file, and by default this cat is the by default sprite. It always appears whenever you open Scratch. So creating file has been done, saving file has been done. Now open existing project. Previously I have created a file or project named project1. So if I wish to open that project1, then I have to go to file and then click on open. I have saved as project1. I will open it. You will see the project1 is now again open on the Scratch editor. Now if you want to close a project, you have to go to file, then quit. Another way is there, you can directly go to this close button from here also, or you can go to file, then quit. And as I have saved the project1 on desktop, see, you can see a file named here project1 showing on the desktop. So this was all about creating a new file, that is a new project, saving the file, closing the file, and opening a existing file.